Welcome to today's 2-minute tune-up from Chris Priebe Hypnosis. Sometimes life can pull you in several directions at once, and it's hard to remain grounded. Take a moment and center yourself. We can do this by taking a deep breath. At the top of the breath, take 2 more quick inhales. Then, like a long, silent whistle, purse your lips together and forcefully and steadily exhale all the air from your lungs. Let's do this 4 times together. Inhale, 2 quick breaths, and a long, silent exhale. Once again, deep inhale, 2 quick breaths, and a long, silent exhale. Third time being inhale, 2 quick breaths, and a long, silent exhale. Last time, big inhale, 2 quick breaths, and once more, a long, silent exhale. Take a moment to check in and notice how you feel different now. Now simply repeat as needed. And if you know someone else who could benefit from this, please share. Have an amazing day.